Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. And the challenge was to create a kitchen vignette that included a tray, a book, and a floral arrangement. So if you're interested in what I put together, stick around. And if you want to see what the other participants did, check the playlist that's linked in the description box. Please go and visit Denise's channel, which will also be linked below. I'm sure she'd love to have you. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The first thing I'm going to do is put these rocks inside these two glass bowls. I'm going to add these two of these, one to each one. And this is how they look with the flowers in there. Next, I'm going to take this cookbook and I'm going to cover it with contact paper just to make it match my decor in my kitchen. I never use this cookbook. It's pretty old and it has a lot of different recipes in it. But the cover does not go with my decor. So I'm just covering it with white contact paper. This is the book after it's covered. I had to use two layers of the contact paper so it wouldn't be see-through. And I'm going to cut the excess off on the edges, and then I'm going to put these stickers on to spell out the word cookbook. Alright, so I cut the excess off of the book, and this is how it looks now. Regular. This is how it looks with the letters on. I wanted to make it look a little bit fancy, so I put the letters on like this. And then I had some extra space at the top because I didn't space this out too good. So I put some gold washi tape around the top rim and down the spine. And this is what I used. I'm thinking about putting a gold sticker of a heart right here because I love to use hearts and there's just an open space here. I'm wondering. To move along with the arrangement, I'm actually using this picture frame. I picked this up a while ago. Everything that I'm using I already had. So I've had this picture frame as a tray on my ottoman in my living room. And this is what I'm using as my tray. So these two things will go here. That will be placed right there on the tray. And then to hold my book, I have this thing that I really, really love. So let me move this over so we can take a look at this. This I picked up around the Christmas time from Burlington, and it's a old, ancient looking book holder. I really like the detailing on it. I like the antique look of it. So I'm going to put the book right on that. And that's going to hold the book. And it's going to sit right on this tray. So bringing this back in, just place this right in there. And I'm going to put this on my kitchen island to display it. And of course, if this is a little too much, I think it's a little too much, the letters there, but you kind of get the idea. I could even take those letters off and put a nice picture on the front. And I'm going to try that now since these are all very removable. This contact paper happens to be dry erase, so I used a dry erase marker and wrote made with, and then I put this gold sticker heart on there to say made with love.